Hello, Bachelor students. How are you? I am Angela Johnson, and I will be your professor, mostly for all classes, I think, almost all of them, right? This quarter, we're going to have so much fun together. And this is going to be a very unique experience because we're going to have our classes online, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope that we get to have fun together and Zoom for a few hours here and there. But I'm gonna let you know that we're also going to have a lot of days that we don't meet through Zoom because I'm going to be recording my classes ahead of time and posting them for you so that you can click, watch, and then do the assignments, and then also do that from the comfort of your home. That way, also, because you're becoming teachers, you are going to be recording videos for me, and you're going to be posting for the class. So the best way of learning, so there's research that supports that the best way of learning is teaching, right? So it's the highest level of learning is when you teach somebody about something. So you're like, So when you become an expert on a topic, is when you actually really learn. So I want you to be thinking about that for a second, right? That's great. So how does that work, right? So I'll be teaching you how to, number one, record a video using Zoom, just like I'm doing right now. So I'm Zooming with myself. So how to do that. So I have a tutorial on how to do that. Two, how to create your own YouTube video, because videos get so large, you cannot even like upload or share. So YouTube is great because it's free. And so we can just upload our videos there, and then they generate a link for us that we can share easily. So we can watch each other's videos and make this class, the classes, right? Amazing. The cool thing is that our cohort's always so small that we can just like become a community. So it's really fun. So our first week of classes will meet on Zoom. I'm going to be sending that the invite for a time and a day. Hopefully all of you can make. If you can't, like, just we'll work something out. But hopefully you'll be there because you don't want to miss it. And then we'll go from there. And then we'll have on the syllabus, I'll indicate the days that you're going to be watching, the videos that I'll be posting on Canvas, and the days that we'll meet again on Zoom for like group presentations or check-ins. We'll have tons of different strategies and different ways to check in with each other. There are different, platforms we're going to be using, like Padlet is one of them. What's it called? The other one, Flipgrid, is another one that we're going to be using. And then there's a lot of different things we're going to be doing. So it's super exciting. Okay, we're going to get to know each other a little more, and so on and so forth. Okay, super excited. A little bit about me real quick. I've been a teacher, like it feels like my whole entire life, because I love teaching so much. I used to teach, so I've taught preschool level before. I taught like all grades except like formally third grade. I didn't teach third grade, but I taught fourth grade my whole life. It feels like for at least 6 years. I taught 7th and 8th grade. I didn't teach high school, but I taught higher ed for about 7 years now. I've been teaching higher ed for 7 years now. And then I've taught the earlier grades to first, second grade for a couple of years when I was in Brazil. So I'm from Brazil. I've been in the US for, over 10 years now. And what else? So many things about me. I have a master's in bilingual education through WSU Tri-Cities, Washington State University. And I also have my principal certification through Heritage University. And then I landed at CBC to become a full-time professor for the bachelor's in teaching. So I'm really excited to be doing this and to be your professor now. So this is exciting. All right. What else? And that's it. There's so much that I can talk about. I have national boards in literacy for the middle ages. So from, ages 6 through 12. So all those, from, elementary all the way to middle school. I specialize in that. And there's so much more. We'll talk more about that when we get together. All right. And that's it. So our first class starts next week. Friday, Saturdays are going to be our days for classes. And then most days will be arranged, meaning we do not meet. I load the Canvas pages. We'll have different ways of checking in, and then we'll have specific days listed on the syllabus for the days that we actually meet on Zoom. Okay, but I'll make it very flexible for your schedule because I know you have busy lives too. All right, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Welcome to the Bachelors, and oh my goodness, I can't wait to meet you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.